Have you ever frozen mid-step? Your mind tangled in a loop of doubt, replaying a single moment, like snapping at your kid or missing a work deadline, until it feels like your whole worth hinges on it? That knot in your stomach, that racing pulse, it's not just stress. It's overthinking chaining you to fear, stealing your focus, dimming your days. Whether you're a parent wondering if you're doing enough, a worker buried under pressure, or a teenager scared you'll never measure up, that chain is real, but you can break it. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoicism exercises transform doubt into clarity. What if you could think less and live more? Stoic philosophy offers a path, not through empty promises, but through practical Stoicism practice. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." That's Stoicism motivation for mental health. Today, I'm sharing 9 Stoicism exercises to help you stop overthinking and start living. Perfect for Stoicism for beginners, Stoicism for women, or anyone seeking self-improvement. Whether you're 15 facing exam stress or 55 rethinking life, these Stoicism daily steps will reduce anxiety and spark productivity. I'll share stories of real people who found freedom through Stoicism lessons, plus 1 action per exercise to try today. By the end, you'll have a 7-day Stoic Reign challenge to master your Stoicism mindset. Ready to untangle your mind? Let's dive into Stoicism exercises that change everything. Think about Janine, a nurse and single mom. She used to lie awake, heart pounding, worrying if she was raising her kids right. Every choice felt like a test she was failing. Then she found a Stoicism exercise. Start each day by picking one thing to do, no matter how small. "I was stuck in my head," she says, her voice softer now. "Now I wake up and just do one thing. It's like I can breathe again. My kids smile more and I'm present for them." Then there's Andre, a sales manager who felt crushed by work. He'd replay every meeting convinced he'd failed. One Stoicism practice taught him to question his thoughts. Were they even true? "I was my own worst enemy," he says. "Now I think clearly and move on. I'm not perfect, but I'm free. I closed my biggest deal last month." And Kara, who runs her own business, she'd spend hours planning, paralyzed by doubt. Will this idea flop? One small Stoicism exercise got her acting instead of worrying. "I used to think myself into knots," she says, laughing. "Now I do one thing and keep going. It's changed everything. My business doubled this year." These stories show Stoicism exercises work. Now here are 9 to build your Stoicism mindset, each with a step for Stoicism daily practice. Stick around for a 7-day challenge and a bonus Stoicism exercise that'll light your motivation. First exercise, clear focus. Overthinking blows problems out of proportion. This Stoicism exercise shrinks them. Every morning, take 3 minutes to write one worry, like, "Will I finish my project?" Ask, "What can I do today?" Maybe it's draft 1 section. Do it by noon. At night, jot down how it felt, calmer. Say, "I focus on my path." Stoic quotes from Epictetus remind us to control what we can. Janine used this for Stoicism. Relationships with her kids. Your step. Today, write a worry, pick an action, and do it. Feel mindfulness kick in. Second exercise, truth filter. Thoughts can trap you in anxiety. This Stoicism practice frees you. Every evening, take 5 minutes to list 3 thoughts like, "I messed up that call." For each, ask, "Is this true? Is it helpful?" If not, rewrite it like, "I tried and I'll improve." Say, "I choose my truth." Marcus Aurelius's Stoic philosophy says your mind shapes your life. Andre used this to reduce anxiety at work. Your step. Tonight, list 3 thoughts. Filter and rewrite. Boost your mental health. Third exercise, action spark. Overthinking stalls you. This Stoicism exercise moves you. Every morning, write one small task like email a client. Do it within 2 hours. At night, ask, "Did this feel good?" Say, "I spark my progress." Seneca's Stoic quotes urge action over hesitation. Kara used this for productivity in her business. Your step: today, pick a task, do it early, and reflect. Ignite self-improvement. Fourth exercise, big picture. Worries feel huge until you step back. When stressed, like over a late bill, pause for 2 minutes. Ask, will this matter in a year? Write one sentence like, this bill won't define me. Breathe deeply. Say, I see beyond. Seneca's Stoicism lessons say we suffer more in imagination. Janine used this for Stoicism daily calm. Your step: next stress, pause, ask, and write. Reduce anxiety instantly. Fifth exercise, value anchor. Overthinking distracts from what matters. This Stoicism exercise realigns you. Every morning, take 4 minutes to pick a value, like honesty. Write one way to live it, like, I'll own my mistake today. Do it. At night, note what happened. Say, I live my values. Zeno's Stoic philosophy calls for purpose. Andre used this for Stoicism motivation in leadership. Your step: today, pick a value, act and reflect. Sharpen your Stoicism mindset. Sixth exercise, lesson, Weaver. Mistakes fuel overthinking unless you learn. This Stoicism practice transforms them. Every evening, take 5 minutes to write a misstep, like, I snapped at a friend. Ask, what's the lesson? Maybe, I need to pause when upset. Pick an action, like, apologize tomorrow. Say, I weave my growth. Marcus Aurelius's Stoic quotes say, obstacles are opportunities. Kara used this for self-improvement. Your step: tonight, write a mistake, find a lesson, and act. Grow through Stoicism lessons. Seventh exercise, priority compass. Overthinking clouds priorities. This Stoicism exercise guides you. Every morning, take 6 minutes to write what matters most today. Maybe it's connect with my spouse. Do it. At night, ask, did this bring clarity? Say, I follow my compass. Seneca's Stoicism daily wisdom says, live each day fully. Janine used this for Stoicism relationships. Your step: today, write a priority, act and reflect. Find mindfulness. Eighth exercise, moment ground. Overthinking pulls you from now. This Stoicism practice roots you. Every morning, hold an object, like a mug, for 10 seconds. Take 5 slow breaths, noting its feel. Write one detail like, it's warm. Say, I'm here now. Epictetus's Stoic philosophy says the present is all. Andre used this for mental health. Your step: today, hold an object, breathe, and write. Feel Stoicism daily calm. Bonus exercise, triumph stack. Overthinking hides your wins. This Stoicism exercise celebrates them. Every evening for 7 days, take 5 minutes to write one success, like, I finished a task. Ask, what strength does this show? Write it like, I'm disciplined. Plan one way to build on it, like, tackle another task tomorrow. Say, I stack my triumphs. This Stoicism motivation draws from Stoic rain resilience. Your step: tonight, write a win, its strength, and a next step. Feel unstoppable with Stoicism for beginners. These 9 Stoicism exercises are your 7-day Stoic Rain Challenge to stop overthinking and start living. They'll reduce anxiety, spark productivity, and align you with Stoicism on love and purpose. Whether you're a teen facing tests or an adult with big responsibilities, start with clear focus today. Journal your self-improvement. Share your favorite Stoicism exercise in the comments to join our Stoic Rain community. Want more Stoicism lessons? Hit subscribe for Stoicism motivation. Before you go, try one Stoicism. Practice today. Maybe writing a worry or filtering a thought. You're not your doubts. You're the strength that shines through, as Stoic quotes teach. Break free with Stoicism exercises. I'll see you in the next one.